Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sushmita Elisetla. So I think you have seen the thumbnail. I think you got some clarity that what I'm going to talk now. So WIT has conducted an exam like on 28th, 29th and 31st of May. WIT has conducted WIT triple E examination so that by writing that entrance examination, students can get into the college. So there was a student like he completely wanted to get into this WIT college. So what happened is these students have set some Telegram accounts. So in that they are posting all questions and answers. So in the same way, like somehow WIT people caught that guy and they filed some complaint to UGC about this person and they want to ban this guy. So that UGC want to ban this person from complete not at all getting seat in any WIT campuses or 1 year completely banned from any college. So the decision have not yet made, they did not made any decision till now. Like all the YouTubers have done a video like telling guidelines of WIT triple E. Even I made a video on WIT triple E guidelines. So I have told very clearly that you can't copy, make exam in a fair way, because those people are really very strict about these things. So anyway, like we all have the thoughts in a easy way we should get everything. We should get everything in easy way. We all wanted the same thing. So even that guy also like wanted the same thing, but what actually happened is like really shocking. So that was the big decision taken by the WIT people. What I think is that is not fair. Yeah, okay, they need to punish that guy, but not in this way, right? They should do it like less punishment should be given, not completely banning him from WIT campuses or for 1 year of ban or something. Like this will really spoil the life of the person, life of the student and their parents and everything. They should think, right? They have very strict rules and most of the people did not write mock test. That is why I asked you people to give mock test so that you will get some idea about the actual examination things. So that is what I'm requesting you, at least from now, from phase 2 for SRM or for WIT, please never make anything such kind of things. At last you're going to get very bad reactions from those colleges. But what I feel is like I am not at all supporting that student and I'm not going to support this WIT college also. Why? Because that is a very big college which has taken 1100 rupees for registration. So on 29th May, that college has received severe server problems. So how come can we accept this as a student? Like as the students, I'm just raising voice from you all. How can we accept this? Like even they have done the mistake, right? So how can we punish them? For some mistake, they are punishing the student. And how can we punish them for their mistake? They have took our money, they have wasted our time and they have wasted our emotions. They played with our emotions. And they did not even give an option, so-called skip. If you write this question, then only you have chance of getting into another question. At that point, most of the students have lost so much time. They have wasted so much time because some people have prepared some topics well. Some people did not have so much touch with the topics. So what they'll think is, okay, we'll do the topics what we know well. But these WIT people did not give the chance to those. They have created such a mess in the examination, server problems and not giving the skip option. Like how badly it affects every student. When you want someone to write your exam genuine, students will also expect some things from you guys. Server problems are the biggest problems that students have faced. So I request WIT college, please conduct re-examination so that let the people get fair things happen. When you follow your rules, let the students also have some things easy, right, in their lives. You just spoiled their life, you just spoiled their money, you just spoiled their time, their emotions and everything that they have put in you. So please reconduct the examination. And this is going on, like they are having a charcha on this, like should we put exam or not. But what I mean is, please, keeping exam is much better, because you made so lot of students suffer for this server problems. So even there was a mistake from your side also. So we can, as all students can poke you for that point. So WIT, please conduct re-exam to the students, and I request all my subscriber friends, please never ever do unfair things in your examination. You'll be caught easily because they are monitoring each and everything. Okay, so please don't join in this telegram groups. If they find you, you are going to get very severe punishments, guys. Why should we need all these things? Let's study well. If we have JE mains, do we have any kind of these chances? We don't copy, no, we go fairly and write and come. We'll enjoy the success. Same way, do it in same way, prepare. Anyway, you'll get touch with this, and you can also prepare for JE mains. So guys, please never make these things. I request you all for phase 2 who are going to write phase 2, and for SRM and WIT, please don't make these mistakes. And I think WIT is going to reconduct exam mostly. If not, we are helpless, and we don't know like what can be done. That's it, guys. So I just wanted to make this video because many people are requesting me that what is happened actually and why is it happened. So I thought of making this video. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching. If I said something wrong, I'm really sorry. Maybe these are just my things. These are just my conclusions. These are just things that have come from my mind. I'm not at all telling something bad to anyone, neither to this college, neither to that student. Completely genuinely my opinion about this. So if I have said anything wrong, I'm sorry. And if you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.